Test baby 1 2 1 2. Test baby 1 2 1. Test baby test baby test baby 1. Hey, this is my first test. I just picked up a Roku dash cam. It's right here. I've got a Hero Black 5, Hero 5 Black, something like that, right here. It's time for UberTube, baby. My first call. This is Mission Uber. This is my first pickup while recording. Oh, and I'm picking up Steven. That's my name. What's up, Steven?
Not much.
I'm Steven also.
Oh, hell yeah.
You probably know that, right?
Yep, I saw that.
I'm recording just so you know.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Okay. You're my first recorded ride.
Okay, cool.
I thought I should probably get that just for the those tricky rides.
Yeah, you never know, honestly. I feel you. It's a good idea to have it.
Where are we going?
Going to a friend's house.
All right. Weather is.
I know, it's been nice the past couple days.
I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel. If I use this video, would that be all right?
Yeah, go for it.
Cool.
Awesome. Thanks for riding us.
Thanks, Steve. Take care, buddy.
Yeah, you too.
Well, there you go. That was my first recorded Uber ride with Mr. Steven. Oh, yeah. Can't go wrong picking up a man named Steven. Everybody likes a Steven. That ride came out to $5.23. So I'm $5.23 closer to getting out of debt. Call coming in. It's 10 miles away and there's no surge on it. I'm not going to take it. And I'm so close to home that I think it's time to call it a night. Probably should quit while I'm ahead because as you've seen, the weather's horrendous. Sorry, I don't mean to keep yelling like that. So $162.92. Slapping it down on the debt, baby. Slapping it down on the debt. So why don't you join me in my journey out of debt? Like the video, subscribe, all that stuff. I mean, just really do it. Just go ahead and do it. Just click the button. That's all you got to do. That's it. That was my first night Ubering. Went well. The weather's crazy in Buffalo again. Got a snowstorm. It was 55 degrees yesterday. It's sunny. The weather has gotten crazy.